Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can make affiliate marketing fun. All right. Hey, before I get into this video, if you want to learn how you can start earning $300 commissions over and over again, be sure to check out the first link in the description of this video. Now, if you don't know, you should know, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and profitable ways to make money online. There's thousands of people, maybe millions of people that are affiliate marketers. Now, when you first get started with affiliate marketing, you see all these kind of trainings, you see all these videos and how to pick a niche and how to promote and how to build sales funnels and how to get sales pages, all this stuff, right? And it kind of can overwhelm people, and it can get to the point where it gets stressful, right? It gets like annoying. It gets to the point where you're like, man, damn, I might as well stay at my 9 to 5. Like, well, what's this? Like, all of this, what? Right? But I was just thinking, like, why can't affiliate marketing be fun? Right? Why can't it be fun to make money, right? Promoting someone else's products or services, right? So here's how, in my opinion, you can make affiliate marketing fun or more fun. All right. So first thing you need to do is make sure that it's a product, you're promoting a product that you really believe in, right? Hopefully you used it, or you know people that use it, or whatever. Make sure that it has good commissions. You know what I'm saying? At least you should be earning, anywhere from $20 to $1,000, right? Like $5 commissions, right? But make sure they got acceptable commissions for you. Something that, if you get a lot of them, you can make a lot of money, right? And lastly, enjoy it, right? Have an interest in the niche that you're in, right? So what I mean is, say, for example, you're into, weight loss, okay? So you find a weight loss program, a course or something, and you really believe in it. You used it, or other people who have, you liked it, you enjoy it. So you become an affiliate of this product. Maybe you're getting $40 commissions, right? You're like, yo, I love this, man. I'm ready to do what I do. So traditionally, what are you going to do? You're going to, write blog posts, which you might enjoy. You can do YouTube videos, which can be fun. But why not take it a step further, right? Why not get you what I always refer people to do, what they call a domain forward, which means you buy a domain name. You can get a domain name from anywhere, right? GoDaddy, HostCheap, whatever. And you buy a generic domain. So for example, weightlossin24.com, right? Buy that domain. Now what you can do is take that ugly affiliate link that you're going to get from the company, and what you do is they call a domain forward. So basically you're going to connect that affiliate link to your new domain that you bought. So anytime somebody will go to weightlossin24.com, they're going to be on your affiliate page. So if they buy anything from that page, you're going to get your commissions, right? A lot of people, do this. I've been doing it forever. But now you got this link. So not only should you do your blog posts and your YouTube, why not, put your domain on some merchandise? Why not get some t-shirts? Why not get some little flyers? Why not, depending on if the commissions is worth it, you could even go to local businesses, right? See if they be willing to put out some advertisement, get some flyers done from Vistaprint, right? Really build a brand around it, even though it's not yours, but really put a marketing campaign to make it fun. So when you're doing your Instagram posts, right, you can have some fun posts and put your domain name on the post, right? Talk about your domain name in Facebook Lives and stuff. You could even do stuff like, hey, this video was brought to you by weightlossin24.com, right? You can do all kinds of content with that domain name, and you can you can put a domain name anywhere, right? You can get coffee cups made, any sort of products with like get you a little logo and get you that domain forward, right? And then just start having fun with it. T-shirts, mugs, whatever, right? And you'll be surprised how much money you can make just by doing stuff like that. Now you might be thinking, I ain't doing all that. This ain't even my product, bro. I ain't gonna brand nothing. This is what you need to do. Make sure the branding, if you create a logo or something like that, make sure it's not a logo that's using like the sales page, the content on the sales page or anything like that. Keep everything general. If you're going to use some sort of logo or slogan, whatever, keep everything general. Keep your domain name general. Why? Because if something ever happens to this company that you're promoting right now that you love, right? If something ever happens to it, you could just find another company that's very similar to the one you promote now. And then all you got to do is go back to your domain name and just switch the affiliate link to your new product. So all that stuff that you already got out there, that merchandise, that domain name, it's all good. Because when people still click on it, they're still going to be taken to a sales page and you're still going to get a commission if they buy. That's how you do it, guys. So, I mean, this is how you can make affiliate marketing fun, especially when you find a product or a niche that you really enjoy. Because when you find something that you really enjoy, it's super easy to start promoting it. And then when you make that money, it's almost like a bonus, because you're like, man, I was having fun anyway. This is cool. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment below, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.